Welcome viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. So introducing Galaxy S20 Ultra. This is a state of artwork of art. Comes with 6.9-inch Infinity O display, Gorilla Glass 6. This is the phone that will change the photograph. It comes with high resolution camera of 108 megapixel with a hybrid optic zoom of 10x and up to 100x super resolution zoom. So you can take pictures in bright night, in low light. The pro-grade camera system captures multiple photos at once, merging them into stunning shots with less blur and noise. With larger image sensor and AI, switching to night mode, meaning you can shoot nighttime scenes clear. Single take is essentially burst mode turned into beast mode. With revolutionary AI, it lets you shoot up to 10 seconds and get back to a variety of formats, meaning you can choose the best style you want to reshoot. Comes with a powerful battery, that is 5000 mAh battery, and you can also do 8K video snap. Also, you can capture photos and videos on this phone. With a zoom, it has a hybrid zoom of 10. You can shoot cinema quality viewing. The HDR10 Plus certified Infinity O display offers an immersive viewing experience. It thinks faster than fast, more playing, less waiting. Thanks to powerful RAM, comes with 12 GB and enhanced processor with advanced AI. You can power on and on. The battery is very much powerful. The rear camera 108 megapixel with a focus of 1.8 wide and 48 megapixel focus of 2.0. That is the tele camera with a 12 megapixel focus, 2.2 focus ultra wide with a VGA depth camera. And the front camera is 40 megapixel with a focus of 2.2 front punch hole camera with a rear LED flash. It's a dynamic AMOLED 6.9-inch display with a captive touchscreen with the pixel resolution of 3200 into 1440. The memory already comes with 12 GB and inside storage is given as 128 GB. You can expand up to 1 TB with the microSD card. Supports Android version 10 operating system and 2.73 GHz plus 2.5 GHz plus 2 GHz. Supports the system that is Exynos 990 octa-core processor. It has a manufacturer warranty of 1 year for the device and 6 months warranty for in-box accessories. The box includes the phone, earphones, travel adapter, USB cable, and user manual. Let's summarize the specs. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel, share my video, hit the bell icon, and thank you. Bye bye.